Hi, my name is Vedant and today I'm going to be talking about Shreiber's classification. Shreiber's classification is a technique which allows you to understand a comprehension or a passage better. So it consists of three main groups: recall, analytic and evaluative. So recall consists of two further subgroups which are recall of facts and recall of order. The recall of facts is just simply remembering the facts we are taught, and the recall of order it is remembering the order of the facts which took place in. Analytic consists of making comparisons, identifying supporting facts and drawing conclusions. Making comparisons, for example, is we cannot compare World War II to a war which happened between two kingdoms, as there's difference of weapons, but we can compare a war which happened between two kingdoms to another war at the same time. Drawing conclusions is drawing our own conclusion from a set phrase or a passage, and identifying supporting facts is when we're identifying the facts which will help us explain. And then the third group is evaluative. Evaluative consists of identifying main parts and important parts, evaluating source material, evaluating adequacy of data, and then stating judgment based on personal experience, stating moral judgment, and that's it. So identifying main parts and important parts is when we identify only those parts which can help us, which are important for us in learning. Identifying source material is when we evaluate the source material and question it to understand it better. Evaluating adequacy of data is when we have less data or more data. And then stating judgment based on personal experience. It is when we have our own personal experience and we judge based on it. So for example, and then finally, stating moral judgment. Well, people can have different moral judgments. For example, I might think it is right to punch someone in the face in self-defense, but some other person might not. So that is basically moral judgment. And this concludes Shreiber's classification.